Ye to abawi o lego man te da say we yourself be nipa, we kodua nipa, we adisi nipa. Ye enye ne sa. Ye to wie de be yi no no, ne nyina de akoma pa, enuado, ya ho ode ne de atanechi.
Now this time bit mesisa.
Eno na make no, kasa ni bi across the red line.
Yeah.
Kasa ni bi across the red line. Enti womunya propaganda na ebinumo ye ena yesi Crawford fitem ena wait yesi emfa wemra ye na ye party no ewo ne fapim.
Yeah.
Ti party no be yi nipa ye wia adwuma eda party no say ye nyina be kwakoton nipa no me ntimi ntran ka say yesi emfa de Ghana for we de hu de Ghana for pe we de na why chese Ghana for we asimesi no pa na obintim no pe. We are a political party. There's something called leadership. Party no the nipa no betu ensem. Ye ko kan sem wi no mato na yi baako. Na ya ko convince Ghana for say the edin bani na ho odin ni say ni senti monto abama no.
Yeah.
Na propaganda bi e dia tum say that asimesi no obintin bi de now streets no. What are the streets? And then there's no leadership.
Yeah.
Na sane pedia ne nkofa me madam for Chatawale on no begina bonto nipa nyina be puaba on e popular anase Stone Boy anase Sakode anase Mboa Kwame
se Galuba tasia
me hero Daddy Lumba ankwanu so tiasia se na onde ka on be di president and so on the boy nyuma Akufo-Addo enti bibia politics and running a government is not like business. Running a government is not like business, or personal business. Running a government, you need a lot of things.
What's the difference here?
The difference here is first and foremost, unhia subai, unhia nyansa, unhia abotre, unhia enidi.
But how are people?
You need all that to be able to run the government. After all, Dr. Kwabena Agyapong started the industrial base of this country, so no new businessman.
Although no,
and I know only business. And I know any business. And Tienya is a casano. Sasanity there. Say Sika any business. Kadango any president. Nigeria. Bill Gates any president. America. And I say Elon Musk. Kasatso South Africa.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. Na me no me campaign me pese me bo obedient na say. But never be ya bufu kakra. Nipa ni bi kasa no yaye ebufu na me no me campaign me pese me bo obedient na say but niam ni bi yaye ebufu kakra nipa ni bi kasa no yaye ebufu kakra kasa te se de ye ne wo party ni nim ye ho
yeah
so ho dem chiro no na kasa ni bi wo ha emfata eni die edim emfa ebu so emma so because we are see Kwame Nyankopon e free bibi destiny
yeah.
So, niema PC wiase. Enti edru se abato se de obetimi ayere na waka. Timi de menam me two party for no for especially. Se abano aye to 2024 no. Yeah, party for kan se bi kire. President Akufo-Addo onya 6.7 million plus.
Yeah.
President Mahama nya 6.2 2020. Come 2024, President Mahama less than 200 no de be kan de. CS we 200 car 6.7 no KHM 700
yeah.
A Tiba FM 4.6 over 2 million difference
at a time where the voter register
had gone up. The tia ya ne say 2 million unreflective of President Mahama. She say nkrofo no mbu afu no mutifi no maka asem akire ti ese ye di aso etie ete won ase ni say nti no MPP ni betima ka say men to aba mpese ma me party ba opposition na che say nema because a anye ne de
yeah
enti say nema ya course na anye ne de because bi amamu no nema bi ye nyina nim say wiase nyina abaye den COVID war across Europe ni nema pi banking crisis happen in Ghana the way we managed it I criticized it yeah. Because me said na banks no say a mom liquidity of about 8-9 billion they can survive and then and turn things around
yeah
so that there will be no loss of jobs near there. So a baby I say na fe yenko hwa you say I spend 25 billion na ye dia good banks na nkrofo asan akotrefi I didn't think economically it was the best decision. Until I was one of the few people in June 2022, publicly, me catch Mampeni say, Mampeni Akufo-Addo, me de famsa wakola aneme. We will campaign 1998. Me na me deal with him. I was your first campaign manager. As my American is from the bottom of my heart. Sisa omu manage economy no my. That was June 2022. That time I could do 7. I me say economic management. It will be any quantifiable. Your friend of business confidence.
Yeah.
So and we are shattered, but we are who till you remove those who are managing the economy.
Yeah.
6 months later, and some parliamentarians to the American say no, I'm so say 88 to 70 say Bibisa enkusi. So me can say my atias say baby a one. Any heat be a competition no ma me share dantia say. Any anon be a atra baby timi kasakra meko kan se bi wa ho California de. That is not how politics should be conducted. So and to say, a bit me and I say, a peace party. I had so, and to say, a bit me and I say, a peace party. I had reason to say on a station, say, it may be too little, too late.
Okay.
But it's better late than never. So, because for over 6 months, and Yama Koso, party form penny for my high. You say, Tina. Professor Philip, what you can say more emphatic more came. So them because the near man was not saying there, penny no kind. So until there should be equity.
Yeah.
So there should be equity. I buy the bobano and no one else the botechi.
Yeah.
Until if you are selective in the delivery of justice and the enforcement of discipline, Emma and Crawford. And take you serious.
But do you take time to look through peace pact?
Of course. Now say me cry the M1 first and foremost. Peace pact. Enye AD Kennedy atoso.
Okay.
In fact, in the folder na the brain, ukoto ina forms na eka ho.
Okay.
They've given you 5-6 a year. Say who sign.
Okay.
Endorse and get a witness.
Okay.
And we are represented for filing. Why endorse we?
Okay.
In fact, 2023 we did the same thing, but no one who did it.
Okay.
And TM se penny back who free muko independent. No fuses and kaye who did them a gun for unye who say. Okay. Who won such a cratasia.
Yeah.
It be a kunya who could say maybe my sign be, but I'm ignoring my own signature.
Yeah.
That would have brought public credibility.
Yeah.
So, and say okay. Committee decided say. You know, say I signed that day. Then so you say a public idea witnesses. So that time, I'm say my campaign manager, I'm director of operations, spend a sign. Person party penning for former presidency, me no nina account. That is the only difference. And I almost signed this soft copy, Brian, days before.
Okay. So
I will my phone, so I'm saying, the data. Yamo, secretary of the committee, they buy. Enti medium fuse the course it was just PR gimmick na just encroach na say na munya na mo dem commerce kusini so ya ko ma twa photo ka say enka ho enti the trick no you see na adwuma the whole country's lenses were trained on him.
But it didn't end there. Also, to say he's on platform to say even those are more
me say o kan sa asem na emi nwanwa.
Yeah.
Now, I think we have to call the bluff of Kwabena Agyapong. We studio, I mean, no one can be that.
Yeah.
Now, me and I'm say to say young him. Young him, I sign IMF, we assign our debt one. Sarcasana and Fatan, Unyai, a idea why I no be and kind of inti. There be no cost here. Mr. De Tembiano can be Binenya. I tried to correct him because I'm a custodian of the history of our party.
Yeah.
Men Traum will be me good party in here. I said, my account say no cray. And so, okay. I dare no complain about. Clause nature say, ye to abana, so accept it. Is there? Oh, cousin, as one person sign because it be an issue. Anna, chairman, no Casse, and Tina Yayen, she said during the presidential process. One, say, Casse, Mimi agent will be a printed ballot.
Yeah.
And what's agent? So, we also appointed 2 agents for every polling station. Omo, enti na saying be a same obati say or say onya 114 or 104 and 14. None the agent or whatever. Where is the document to prove what he said? Where is the document to prove what he said? Enti oyobia ope explosive talk no be enkanhwe. Sa na obegina television so. Twa trotto me Kwabena Agyapong so say me makukum Adams or Tamale. And I'm refi.
Yeah.
Wa mesu enyi ne glasses are mofom. Asema unim se enye nokre. Has he apologized to me? Where was the evidence of what you're saying? Catch there and say, yeah, national security protection. When it was never true. I've never asked for protection from national security. But it was all part of a calculated attempt. Say, on say midin. And pennyphone no mushene chino, oman cantino. O kosu yesa, say, minipola focusa. Sa. Nenyankopon, yes, ucha. Yes, a friend is saying karma, law of karma.
Yeah. So to bobo there, it bounce back to you.
And then the one in Econo, so no coffee and fish in buy. Anami boy, we are saying utu edubonia ebikawano. Utu eduboni ebikawano.
On the corner.
Oh yes. Huh?
Now, I like the way you coin it, President Agyapong. I like that phrase.
Bakosi wa bia dwuma afa nipa 7,000. Yakɔhwehwɛ mu no enipa wa fa 70. Afro de pim ne nkɔfo no maka kyerɛ wo sɛ esi nipa baako kra so wa bia dwuma na sɛ keka asade a anka me kwa kam so ma fa bi. Adwumafo no wɔn a ɔmo se wɔda 277 na garden boy obi a wɔpra ana security first time in the history obi akoha ne dan no ono ye Kennedy worker. Second uko ayi sa Omai community center ye wo Medina ya unwa omo mutonto road say
from top screen and my archbishop me ba me nim de enti ayi ni yesa asa me nim say na so ma sa report there I can't tell but you know e one na drop it na basa pacho mon tap screen and mo wa why wo do doctor nko na uduru ha mesre wo ntwa wo de tap so keke mai da won froso na tap so mai archbishop me dance pacho yenko.
Okay. On my community center here wo Medina. Ohwa Dr. Mensa amanfo di boutique wom omo ye nwuma a omo akɔtete store so no. Na nkɔfo ye camp omo si nipa na abehe ha store no enyina ye Kennedy workers. Now that I am by force. Say workers. No, we are worker.
Yes.
That's a old dream. What other force say workers by force. Yes. Some be try and trust a table mountain cassava factory. Ye ko hwe na opon bio edia. Anya wo dia. Aya force tinchira pa adwuma ma wo ho. Hwe ayo still factory I want motorway side. Se wo di ka hu picture na ba no India for mienu ana no gira emfinfin ana o matwa picture dia na cha se sa still no kra na factory na wo si ne eya na dia akofo investor bi ba ekromu a na wo ye na dwuma wo se ya wo dia na nkanya nwanwa se despite media ebetuma yisu despite media ni nyina de gu ani ma se wo nka no kre se wo nua ba na decorate museum ho. Other dispatches no where the fans women mount what me issue this the whole platform OKFM, NIT FM, Peace FM, Bakui Hello FM, UTV, etidi gu animase, would me better also be a trophy. Shedanano ayi bi okoye wo Peace Park way. Wo brofo be na wote a bibi ya nwanwa wo mu a asa wototo wonsa. Sa brofo na egu no eno na obi be pe o mampani dia sa brofo na yaba no ye pasundue ye beto ene ya to awie enti ye bobbo wie a munyina mo hye bosem bagyatum asem na no ano no enya asem bia na ehu ba pese u create drama bi se de wo obi odwane free school mo se pam free school wo te brofo child doctors afena mi bracha potato se dia And I'm a cry no, me share section 2, you know, was say yes, me cry, ultimate can throw away at the top election committee for say, or Mrs. Yes, cry na, jitum. That one about trust I didn't be there to say, opinion to. Would the pronam and I'll for and I'm so my dream more hentino, no most wabajatum, say I credit or your wife or him. Ninya se wo hu se ware endo be create si bia ma obi hu se ase wo ye bibia ma papa he o paka se pipa ni mu nyina wo nyintum o be we enne anwumre ya me ne bra bi kasa wo platform ba ko so se o mako Germany o mako UK USA fo nyina eba o so ma bobo ma no a se sia no anwumre yo mu nyina etu aba Ghana no mo bom person be ma Kennedy 12% and I'm say Mama meraho because me kasa ka me man 15 na mama na 12 for dia mo pese papa ne bedidi
no mo ni pay free UK here back
say amanfo aye ward na omo ba no enti no ye se omo nyina se da memfa omo nsi okore taban so no fo mo medu na Dr. Lahaj Mahmoud Bawumia dia ye titi no areho a de party ni de na fam amani omode na fam doctor edinani na ehwe na according to
audio BCC there's according to audio no chede on the kind of around saying na church den bi the washada the oba obu edwuma the one church name si bi
so be ma loan
aha agenda ne the last hour no we from back door inti ofre wa na ebisa o do ebia so waje obi ana na manti ofre wa na wose ebia adwuma na akada eye no aba mwa na ehia mpremprenya do I start to watch is ka back door na nim enya Ghana fon so ye thinking ihi nipa 10 a efre wona at least be ye nemo 4 na 5 a oba accept wo proposal no.
Yeah,
because yes, 70 inti me peda me come across that information na platform ni na order do na ye ni delegate phone kasa de that minute because audio back one guy no or CV no lady ni catch of or Kennedy camp na or indicated or ye bibi or boy to be na sisi Kennedy so bisanda abem one obehia na sisi a ma guy ni bufu guy na so ohia mbo bia na election time intina wa mo wa shada wo badada no
oh na guy no den was in here mbo a oda otum oje mbo no
oh and there you will be more way matured
yeah
today I would na ebeje but enim
na ade a wo pɛ so kura na wo pɛ
aha
ade a wo pɛ woni
inye nimpa ni nyina na ya adwene ya
ono mo da no ya mpa
onti da man ko sina na dwoma ma baba sa be president biem ato me kana sa aha nti ni ya oni da yedi nyoma bi yedi agro nti womma da mai no womma onko wona wo underground pa no womma ongo because damna NDC for you want politics
yes
see eba to abe itumi mobi 20 citizens pa wa abaya ne nyame ano no nti such a person na say man 500 cedis and 1000 chede ekunu kra enwa nti sano ya strategy no de church odi no dying minute no na nti na waka gidamiska na fi government ho no adwuma odi be dia nen nti womanyanya sharp na yemfa information enko because inya na ya adwene wo soro no ye ndooso wo Ghana ha enwa honya na ya adwene deep no ye ndooso nti me nya the information na in fact me ye mhyehyem kakra because minim the way Ghana for yane thinking ote bebre na no ote enwa but yami yankopon aka no so na wa
yeah yami ne hini
me minim Dr. Benwin but me pedo oye wide
yeah
aha me pedo oye wide na oka bibi kire Ghana for na NPP fu nyina because sisi an ye hu enemies within nyina nti ye nko campaign to the 2024 campaign bi
like
Yes, because ye hu de binom wɔ hɔ a wɔhyehyɛ yɛn mu kɛkɛ. Na first na yɛwɔ power na ade no.
Papa.
Inyo. Nti me
Faithful, enyim campaign strategy no mo obeye inde Kennedy no nkrofo no obiara na o hye Dr. Baumia ahoro ba biara no. Se pede wankasa beye campaign de ma Dr. Baumia wankasa show platform na katena de kade Dr. Baumia na medina atem na nya awanya no kwar. Na wi atena hwara na fa ye campaign ma mefefe ye mu na mbese ya de.
Oh, true because 10 ankasa kwa 2024 se behwa